Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Volkswagen. It could be multiple Volkswagen models such as Tiguan, Touareg, Jetta, Golf, Passat, CC, whatever guys you have. Okay, if you have one of those, we'll explain where you can find the airbag module on a Volkswagen. Most of them will be there. There are some minor exceptions, but most of them, I would say 95% of the time, will be at that location. For any of you needing to replace airbag module, needing to rebuild airbag module after a crash, we'll explain where it's located. Now consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video. Why? Because you have to be certified and qualified to work on airbags, otherwise they can hurt you or even kill you. Another thing, you guys need to know how to do that, and for any of you that are qualified and certified, quick reminder, you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, and you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour. We'll put a link to a video that explains which battery to disconnect or reconnect first, otherwise you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We guys take them completely apart. We show you how to fix anything from body damage, transmissions, bodywork, panels, anything you can think of guys, fuses, relays, electrical. Why we do all that? Because our mission guys here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any tools, parts for your car at a really good price, quick shipping, we'll put links in the description of the video below where you can get them, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So we have that Volkswagen that we'll demonstrate on, but it will work on most Volkswagen models guys, like we said, Tiguan, Jetta, Golf, Passat, CC, Beetle, quite a few of them guys. So here we have the center console removed. Most of the times, in order to get to the airbag modules, you might need to remove the center console on most Volkswagen vehicles. Not always, but quite often guys. So we have it removed. Most of them are not very complicated. You may have some hidden screws on the sides, okay, and here as well. We had 2 hidden screws under the shifter right there, and we had 2 hidden screws towards the front on that model and one on the side. But and here as well. But once we guys removed those, okay, we were able to get that console out. Now here guys, okay, under the console usually you can find something like the electronic parking brake module, shifter. But if you come guys under the dash towards the front of the vehicle, right in the middle of the dash, you will usually see a yellow connector right here. That computer right there guys, this computer is your airbag module right here. That's your airbag computer right there located. It's most of the times it's right under the dash in the middle of it. Now we can access it. You can see the connector is there. We have 2 nuts on this side, I believe, on the other one is 1 most of the times. So it's accessible guys like that. Now if the vehicle is in an accident, you need to replace it, or you can have your rebuild. There are multiple companies that do that. I don't know what to recommend guys. I went both ways multiple times and had no problems, but you never know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.